Hey yo, what's up motorbeards? Welcome back to my channel to another video. So today, me and my friends, my German friends actually, we are taking some drones and our bikes and they're going on the car and we actually going to the desert and trying to have some fun. Stay tuned and check it out guys. So there they're going in the Honda Civic. You have a problem, sir? Some crazy dude. The crazy Viking. Exactly. So yeah guys, let's see. So we're gonna have some fun, do some nice drone shots in the desert, so it's definitely well worth it. Stay tuned and I'll catch you once we hit the freeway and get a little bit closer guys, alright? So the train's coming. Sir, your car is very clean.
I think we're going on the highway now.
Yeah? Alright, just gonna follow you guys. Huh? Yep. Degerit. As always, tunnel time. One of my friends, he does not like too much noise, so this was for him. Oh no, man. So just got in Palmdale, Little Rock. So the good thing actually about this area, it's just like it's wide open. There's a lot of space, and you can, in most areas, you can do whatever you want, you know. So we choose that area because my friends, they've been here before. So they've been here before with their drones, and they know exactly where they shot last time, and it was actually pretty good. So we're gonna shot here and then get you guys all some drone footage. So stay tuned guys. So guys, I got stuck in the desert. I just trying to merge the bike a little bit and straighten it up, and what happened is I dug myself a little hole and the bike's not moving at all anymore. So I guess that's it for today, huh?
Viking bags.
Yep, Viking bags for the Viking German. Good sight.
Wenn du jetzt ganz langsam rausfährst, soll es sein, okay.
Lass uns noch ein bisschen drücken und dann. 1, 2. Jetzt noch schnell über die Straße.
Folgt bis an folgt.
Festgefahren in der Wüste ohne Wasser. 80.000 Klicks.
Hand verbrannt am Auspuff.
Oh, echt?
Ja.
Alright guys, we made it out of that little hole. All it took is some German muscle. Yeah. And over there.
Are you gonna supposed to be? Are we gonna supposed to be? That's English.
All it took some German muscle part 2 here.
Ja.
Show me your German muscle. This is some German Viking muscle. Okay. Alright, so
Good stuff.
we made it. Now let's get started, okay? Trumpet. Das können wir später machen. Eigentlich, irgendwie gefällt es mir so. Wait until this car. Slowly out of the sand and then straight, boom. Man, I didn't know that it sounds so good. Especially like when you're on it, you never really hear how it sounds, only the people behind you.
Ja. Das ist echt Wahnsinn.
Macht schon Spaß, ne?
Das ist halt, wenn man die ganze Zeit dasselbe Motorrad fährt und dann plötzlich fährt man ein anderes und dann.
So he's saying that he really enjoyed it because especially. Oh yeah.
It's just incredible. I've never driven a Harley Davidson before. It's so powerful, so fast. I wouldn't have thought. It's incredible, so much fun. Love it. It's mine now.
There you go. Yeah, the keys are already there. Let's just sign the paperwork. So we were just waiting for the right sun. So as you can see, the sun's almost where it's supposed to be for some good drone shots. So we're gonna do some drone shots of the area and also while I'm riding. So definitely, it's gonna be fun, guys. Alright, guys, we're starting the drones, setting them up. Check. Wow, it looks like you're almost controlling an airplane.
Yeah, basically. Mini airplane.
Oh, you gave your drone a name?
Ronald. Future.
Is it drone?
That's the actual future president of the United
Is
States.
it Donald Trump?
Donald Trump.
Donald Trump. All right, the airplane is taking off. Oh, one is already starting.
Auto.
Car's coming. So how does it look like on the screen?
Pretty much a video game. And then look this side.
Wow, this is
Go
badass.
fast.
Jesus. And the next one.
Oh, I forgot the SD card.
Oh, it's coming back. No. What's the issue with it, though?
Forgot my SD card to put in there.
Oh, so it's running with no. Imagine you think you're taking shots and then it's nothing. Oh, that would be the worst.